Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0562 indicates a problem within the charging system of the Honda Accord 2023 and onwards that can lead to low voltage conditions. This error is primarily associated with the alternator, which is responsible for maintaining the electrical system's voltage during engine operation. When the generated voltage from the alternator fails to meet specified levels, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, recognizes this as an anomaly and records the DTC. The PCM utilizes input from various sensors and components, ensuring all systems are operating within expected parameters. It's essential to understand each component involved in the charging system to effectively troubleshoot and resolve this code. By addressing any issues indicated by this DTC, you maintain the integral performance of your vehicle's electronic systems and prevent unexpected vehicle failures. DTC P0562 signifies low voltage from the charging system, indicating that the alternator is not generating adequate voltage to satisfy electrical needs. The alternator's role is crucial as it converts mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy, supplying power to the vehicle's electrical systems and charging the battery. Located under the engine hood, typically near the front of the engine near the serpentine belt, the alternator is connected to the battery and the PCM. When the PCM detects that voltage from the alternator does not reach the expected level, it immediately stores the DTC P0562. This is an important function as it protects the vehicle's electrical systems, ensuring they operate effectively. A failing alternator or poor connections can lead to a series of electrical failures, which underscores the need for immediate attention to this code. The potential causes of DTC P0562 are varied, but essential to understand for effective troubleshooting. A loose terminal on the alternator, specifically the ACG plus B terminal, is the most common cause and should be checked first. This condition could disrupt the flow of electricity generated by the alternator, leading to the DTC being set. Another possible cause is a faulty alternator itself, which may not perform effectively due to internal damage or wear. Wiring issues, such as frayed or corroded wires, can also interrupt voltage transmission, resulting in low system voltage. Finally, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, can be at fault if it misinterprets the data from the charging system, although this is less common. Addressing these causes systematically can help diagnose and resolve the low voltage issue effectively. Several symptoms can indicate the presence of DTC P0562, many of which are noticeable to the vehicle operator. Drivers may first observe dashboard warning lights illuminating, particularly the battery or check engine light, alerting them to electrical system issues. Additionally, malfunctioning electrical accessories such as radio or power windows may signal inadequate power supply from the alternator. Dimming headlights while the vehicle is running can also be a clear symptom, suggesting low voltage levels inadequately addressing the load. Drivers might also experience engine performance issues, particularly during acceleration or when multiple electrical components are in use. These symptoms all highlight the necessity for immediate diagnosis and repair to ensure the vehicle operates correctly and safely. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0562 involves a thorough inspection of the alternator connections. Start by checking the ACG plus B terminal, as a loose connection here is often the primary cause of low voltage readings. It's essential to ensure that the terminal is securely fastened and that there are no visible signs of wear or corrosion that may impede electrical flow. Additionally, inspect all other connections related to the alternator, as any loose wiring could disrupt the proper functionality of the charging system. Document your findings during this inspection, as they will guide further troubleshooting steps. If the alternator connections are found to be tight and secure, you can then proceed to inspect additional components. After ensuring all connections are secure, the next troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for 1 minute. This procedure helps establish a baseline for the alternator's voltage output under no-load conditions. Ensure the vehicle is in either park, P, or neutral, N, during this process to prevent any additional strain on the engine. After idling, use a multimeter to monitor the voltage levels at the battery terminals. Compare the measured voltage to the manufacturer's specifications for normal operating conditions. Any significant variance from the expected voltage suggests a problem with the alternator or related components. This process will either confirm or eliminate one of the most crucial components involved with DTC P0562, aiding in isolating the issue further. Once repairs have been completed, final verification is crucial to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Start by clearing the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using a diagnostics scanner. This step resets the monitoring systems within the PCM and allows real-time data to accurately reflect the condition of the charging system. Following this, it is essential to take the vehicle for a test drive to allow the PCM to reevaluate the charging system under typical operating conditions. During this drive, monitor the dashboard for any recurring warning lights or alerts. After the drive, perform a final check of the DTCs in the PCM to confirm that P0562 has not reappeared. Verifying the absence of this code after repairs ensures confidence in the integrity of the charging system. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0562, establishing a regimen of preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly checking the charging system components, including the alternator and its connections, can help detect issues before they become significant problems. During routine servicing, inspect all wiring associated with the alternator for signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that could interfere with electrical flow. Periodic testing of the alternator's output and functionality can also be beneficial, allowing for timely replacements if performance lowers and preventing unexpected breakdowns. Alert drivers regarding the importance of being attentive to symptoms like dimming lights or electrical issues, which could indicate underlying issues with the alternator. A structured maintenance schedule fosters long-term reliability in the charging system and overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0562 and the implications of low voltage within the charging system is vital for maintaining the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Recognizing symptoms such as warning lights and electrical malfunctions can guide drivers to seek timely assistance, ensuring their vehicle remains in optimal condition. By adhering to a systematic troubleshooting checklist, notably inspecting connections and verifying voltage levels, technicians can effectively isolate and remedy the underlying causes. Moreover, embracing a proactive preventive maintenance approach will significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this DTC in the future. Ultimately, maintaining the integrity of the charging system directly correlates with the dependability and performance of the vehicle, enhancing the overall driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.